Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make passive income on YouTube. Passive income is money that you can earn while you sleep, and YouTube is a great platform to generate it. So if you're ready to learn some tips and tricks to help you make more money on YouTube, keep watching. Tip 1. Create quality content. The first and most important step to making passive income on YouTube is to create high-quality content that your viewers will love. This means that you need to invest time and effort in creating videos that are engaging, informative, and entertaining. The more value you can provide to your users, the more likely they are to watch, subscribe, and share your content, which will ultimately lead to more views and more money. Tip 2. Choose the right niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial when it comes to making passive income on YouTube. You need to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large and engaged audience. The more specific your niche, the easier it will be to attract viewers who are interested in your content. Some popular niches on YouTube include beauty, gaming, food, and travel. Tip 3. Optimize your videos for SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is essential if you want to get more views and make more money on YouTube. You need to optimize your videos for SEO by using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. You should also include a call to action, a CTA, in your videos, encouraging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Tip 4. Monetize your channel. Once you have a significant following on your YouTube channel, you can monetize your content by enabling ads on your videos. You can do this by joining the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to earn money from ads that are displayed on your videos. You can also make money through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling merchandise. Tip 5. Build your brand. Building your brand on YouTube is essential if you want to make passive income. You need to create a brand that is unique, memorable, and recognizable. This means having a consistent visual style, using a catchy tagline, and engaging with your viewers on a regular basis. Tip 6. Diversify your income streams. To make passive income on YouTube, you need to diversify your income streams. This means not relying solely on ad revenue, but also exploring other opportunities like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. The more income streams you have, the more stable your income will be. Tip 7. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to making passive income on YouTube. You need to upload new content on a regular basis, engaging with your viewers, and promote your channel on social media. The more consistent you are, the more likely you are to build a loyal following and make more money. So there you have it, my tips for making passive income on YouTube. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful YouTube channel, but with the right strategy and mindset, you can make it happen. Focus on creating high-quality content, optimizing your videos for SEO, building your brand, diversifying your income streams, and being consistent. And you'll be well on your way to making passive income on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.